Hello guys, from New Zealand. We have got MacBook A1466 MacBook Air, board number 820000165. So this MacBook is completely dead. No charging, light shows up, and fans not spinning. So in this situation, where to start? If you look at the board here, it has got hundreds of components on the board, and the board, see how clean the board is. I don't see any evidence of liquid damage or moisture damage. Nothing I can see with visible eyes that something is burnt, and it just stops working. So uh, from here, from my experience, either it's the processor, or either it could be SMC chip which is faulty, because it's not even responding anything. So see, I will connect the charger and see if we got any green or yellow light, any adapter sense. So there you go. So nothing at all. It's just a dead MacBook. So what I would like to show you is we will be using a thermal camera, or maybe we will be using freeze spray as well, if we find any short on the board. So I put um, the logic board under the thermal camera, and now I'm gonna connect the charger and see what's gonna happen. Okay, do you see it starts? We have got heat point here, and it's increasing. It's gone up to 53 degrees centigrade, which is not normal. So this is SMC chip. The temperature is increasing, and you see rest of the components, there's nothing that is showing a heat point. But here, which is SMC chip, so now my assumption was right, that either it's SMC or either it's processor. So now we have got a point where we know we have to look at this area here. But always remember, if a thermal camera is showing you an IC, like for example this here, it's heating up, that doesn't necessarily mean it's the IC. You have to check the surrounding components. So let's go back and have a look. We will have a look on SMC chip, and we will check if we could find any physical component which is burnt, or if we could find any short here. So we figured out the problem is in the SMC chip. SMC chip is this here, which is U5000, and first of all we will have a physical look. If we could find, so this is U5000 SMC chip. Let's have a look. So I will check first of all. The heat shows there is a short somewhere, and we don't know where it is. I will put my multimeter in the continuity mode, and let's check. Start from here. So this one is, let's see if it's a capacitor. So this one, which I have tested very fast, is this one here, which is yep, that's a capacitor C5015. C5015. Let's check what C1, what is it, sorry. So that's C5015, C5015, C5015. Okay, so this guy here, which is a capacitor. So capacitor, we know one is on ground and one is on the line. So, and this is then again connected to U5000, but this is short, but we don't know what else. So these are capacitor on the same line. So all of them must be shorted. Let's verify looking at here. My cameras just move so much. So this is shorted. Okay. I don't know if you can hear the beep. Yes, I think you can hear now. I put the microphone very close and this is shorted. This is shorted. So now we have to find out what other capacitors are there on this line. So, which is, this is PP 1.2 underscore S5 underscore SMC underscore VDDC. So see guys, just because of this line is shorted, so it's gone dead. Anyway, so let's check. So that is probe 999. Let's check probe 999. So this is where two of these, and one of here, and they are all connected to SMC. So this is, so there is two there, and then there is two capacitor there. So first of all, we have to look at this is shorted, this is shorted. So guys, I would like to have a look under the microscope now, and I found a very ugly face here. An ugly face. Okay. Do you see it? This is one of the, and this guy here. This is capacitor. Let's find out which one it is. Is it the same on the same line or not? So this looks, something happened here. So this is here, which is C5010. C5010 is in the same line. So now guys, we have got two options here. We have already looked at so guys, we have got two options here. We have already looked at thermal camera, under the thermal camera, and we find out SMC chip is heating up. It going to 60 degrees centigrade, which is not normal. And then we have got short that is coming out from SMC. There are 5 capacitors which are in the same line and shorted. Now should we take out the SMC chip, because we know SMC chip is we just can't put a new one, we have to reball it. And then, but before we go into, we have to check, and then we found a very ugly capacitor C5010, and maybe this is what we will be doing, and removing the C5010, which has got like sort of dirty face. So I will put some flux, and first of all, um, on the evidence that this capacitor here look sort of burnt, like there's something happened there, so we will just remove it. Okay, if we are lucky, but I'm never lucky. Okay, so removed it, and now this capacitor is gone. Now we will check if the short is gone. So I will put the multimeter in continuity mode and see what happened. So let's start here. This is where we started from. I want you to hear the okay. So I will just check if it's working, and then let's check here. So guys, no short. So short has gone, and I think now this. Let's check here as well. This was shorted, and this is what we have removed. Yep, no short, and now we have to put a new capacitor. Lucky day today. So I don't have the same board A1466, which is 820000165, and this is also to learn like if you what if you don't have the same logic board, donor board, and you have to find a component like this capacitor here from another board. So I will show you while we are doing this. So the capacitor we will be looking is this one here, which is C5010, and this is 6.3 and 0201. So I have got another board here. Um, this one. I will zoom it out, and so this is I have got this one here, which is not the same board. This one is 8203437. So 8203437. 8203437. So I'm just showing you what if you don't have the same, but you have to find a resistor or capacitor, how to find it from another logic board. So 8203437, this one here, and we will pull the symmetric diagram, and now we will be looking for 6.30201. 6.30201, 6.3201. Let's see if we can find any. So see, we have got some here. See, these are same size and same voltage. We have got 21 here, so we can remove any of these. So now we know that we can use any of these from another board. Anyway, so we will go back, and we will take um, this capacitor, which is 6.3 volt and 0201 from this board, and then we will put it here, and then after that we will test the board. So I have already pulled the capacitor from another board, same voltage and same size. So this is here, and I will put it here. Come on. Where are you? So now the easiest part is to solder it back. Should I do it with the okay, let's figure out how I'm gonna do it. So I will go close and just align it like this, and got my fuse to hold it, and yep, and a little bit of heat here, and done. Okay, and look here, little bit wider view. So what I will do, I will just give it just for my satisfaction, so that it has got strong enough, so that I don't want this just because of the loose joints, it burnt again. So I will just give it a heat. Hurry up, melt down. Have you melt down? Yep, all good. I'm happy with it now. So now, first of all, what we will do, we will just see if we have got the charging light and the fans spin. If it does, then we will put it back and see if we got the display. So here is our board now. So this is what we have replaced the capacitor and it over, so that we can see if the fan spins. Yeah, so see, it turns on. That's good. And now we will put it in the MacBook. So guys, we will put it back in the housing and we will turn it on and see how it goes. Hopefully it should work. So before I put it, so I will show you what we have done. See the SMC chip here. So this is the caps here which we have replaced. Yep, I think you can see now. If I go a little bit more, I think it will blur. Anyway, so put it back quickly. So at this stage, what we just need is the LCD connector connected and the charging port connected, and then I would like to put SSD. So I will put SSD before I do this. So I'm not gonna connect anything else. I will just connect DC jack and this cable here, which is necessary, and of course fan. Now remove this. I'm not good at these putting these connectors, man. Anyway, so I should put one screw, but anyway, I can hold it with my hand. Okay, let's put the charger and of course LCD connectors, otherwise we're not gonna get any display. So I will just here, come on, spin, and Yeah, so that's all done. See, all good. It's turning on. So, guys, another successful repair. See how a very expensive $1,000 MacBook Air, it's just gone dead just because of 50-cent capacitors. Um, Thanks for watching, and if you have got any question, you can write in the comment and I will reply. Uh, if you like to learn these sort of skills, we offer logic board repair courses in New Zealand, Hamilton. You can send us an email, and thanks for watching. Bye.